Outfitted with sturdy boots, an arsenal of leftover Christmas trees, and an overabundance of holiday spirit, volunteers and a coalition of experts set out to enhance a newly reconnected side channel to provide a refuge for fish from the powerful currents of the Clackamas.
So this is Fisher's Bend, and we are approximately smack dab between Carver and Barton on the Clackamas River. And this was a very key side channel habitat prior to the 1996 floods. In 1996, as some folks might remember, the entire river picked up and moved over. And it cut off a lot of these really key side channels that were really important for spawning and rearing of our native endangered and threatened salmon and steelhead species. So we found that we really lost a ton of habitat in 1996. In the case of Fisher's Bend, this being a side channel, really the biggest deal with this is making sure that we have this great place for these little guys to get out of the flow when flows are high.
It's really a public health motivation that gets us here and gets our desire to share the property with adults and with children.
Yeah, and to keep old people like us young.
CRBC and the county, Oregon Fish and Wildlife, the Forestry Service. We've had a number of partners that we've worked with that it's just been wonderful, the relationships and the experience we've had working with them.
I love the Clackamas community. People that want to participate in these programs and be part of the solution instead of part of the problem are really my heroes. For example, Buck and Mary Kay Baker have sacrificed literally a large part of their usable acreage so that we can help and enhance this for fish and wildlife, and in their case also to educate the next generation of kids that come down the pike. This is an amazing act of service by landowners, and I'm always so excited when I meet landowners that are willing to participate in things like this and be part of that service community.